ครับโอ้
A violent hailstorm struck the province of Chiang Mai in Thailand yesterday, causing severe damage and shocking residents in the area. According to meteorological reports, the storm was triggered by a cold air mass colliding with warm and humid air in the region, generating strong storms. Hail the size of chicken eggs fell for about an hour and caused significant damage to agricultural properties and vehicles in the area. In addition, some homes were damaged by massive hail and strong gusts of wind that accompanied the storm. Local authorities promptly intervened to assess the situation and provide assistance to affected residents. Rescue teams were sent to help remove fallen trees and other obstacles from public roads, while the government promised financial assistance for repairing the damages. Despite the material damage, authorities have declared that there were no casualties from the hailstorm. However, people in the area are still shocked and worried about the long-term impact on local communities. Violent storms are relatively rare in the Chiang Mai area, but this extremely unusual event reminded people in the area of the power of nature and the importance of preparing for such unforeseen situations.